The garden I thought I was building wasn't the garden I needed. For the past year, this channel has been working on one essential foundation: taming the slope, making it manageable, making it possible, enabling something more, something much deeper. And many of you have found me because of that, searching for practical, solid solutions to your own impossible sloped gardens. Those terrace videos, they're the most popular on the channel. Your support, your amazing comments and questions, they've kept me going. Thank you for being here, building this with me. But looking at the garden now, I realized I didn't build all this just to look at it. I built it so I could finally, fully be in it. I started my garden journey here, searching for a place of restoration. The garden gave me a place to find lightness again. As I dug, planted, weeded, as I watched which plants preferred shelter and which were happy to dance in the wind, something beautiful and unexpected emerged. It was a mirror. The way I was patiently putting the garden back together, piece by piece, mirrored a return to my own center. I became interested in the world once more. It taught me how to put down the heavy things and simply be present in the moment. What I poured into the garden, I was repaid in simple grounding joy and the enduring certainty of hope. It's not ultimately about doing, it's about being. Many of you already know this from the single flower close-ups and the quiet garden tours. That meditative, quieter side of blooming slopes. That's not going anywhere, don't worry. There will be more of those joyful moments to share. This new direction then, it's about honoring what this garden has always been seeking to become. A place of flow, of deep presence, of communion with the land, of guardianship, of hope, a sanctuary. The terracing, it was never the goal. It was the permission slip to dream bigger. So this is the next chapter for Blooming Slopes. We're still here on this wild, wind-battered hillside in the southern Irish coast. That hasn't changed. But it's time to lean into the hopeful spirit of exploration and really deeply enjoy the process of flow and creation. It's time to bloom. Let's explore the dreamy what-ifs and make this southern Irish coastal garden special. What if we can create a vertical garden along that open fence line, a living space for bees and butterflies, providing shelter where it seems impossible? What if we can make a winding path through the lower hillside, a safe corridor for the foxes? And yes, we'll have some wildlife cameras to catch each nocturnal visitor. What if we lean more into the unique zone pushing that's possible in this small, milder pocket of the southern Irish coast, focusing on exotics and subtropicals that shouldn't survive here, but just might? What if we could make more places to simply sit, to be, to let the garden hold us? What if this entire space became a sanctuary, not just for wildlife, but for those quieter moments of stillness and wonder we all so desperately need? The ones where you're not fixing anything, you're not achieving anything, you're just present and held in the deeply calming power of nature. I'll always be gardening on a slope. That's our character, our constant challenge. But the foundation is laid. Now we get to do the joyful part. So if you're here for honest coastal Irish gardening, for rewilding, for the glorious failures and tiny victories, for the big dreams and the quiet mornings, and for the hope that emerges when you put your hands in the earth, subscribe. Come along with me for this next chapter, because this garden, it's just getting started, and I'd love for you to be here with me.